On October 30th, 2024, Sam Altman tweeted about OpenAI's latest feature, ChatGPT Search, which allows users to access live internet search capabilities directly in the ChatGPT interface. This update addresses a key limitation by enabling the model to provide real-time, up-to-date responses, especially helpful for current events, niche topics, and newly emerging information. The search feature is currently available to ChatGPT Plus and Pro subscribers, expanding their access to information beyond the static knowledge base available in the free version. OpenAI designed this feature with a commitment to accuracy and safety, implementing a policy to filter and prioritize credible sources, ensuring that users receive reliable information. ChatGPT Search works by integrating Microsoft Bing's web search API, allowing ChatGPT to retrieve and synthesize data from live internet searches while maintaining OpenAI's response guidelines. This advancement is part of OpenAI's broader goal to make AI more practical, versatile, and effective for daily inquiries, research, and learning. Altman's tweet and OpenAI's announcement emphasize the organization's dedication to expanding ChatGPT's utility, supporting its user base with tools that keep pace with today's rapid information landscape. As we stand on the brink of a new era in search technology, the development of the ChatGPT search engine promises to redefine how we interact with the internet. While traditional search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, and Baidu have dominated the landscape for years, the introduction of a ChatGPT-powered search engine is poised to bring revolutionary changes in terms of user experience, privacy protection, and the overall quality of search results. In this video, we'll explore how the ChatGPT search engine might compete with established search engines, how it will protect users' privacy, how it will block trackers, and how potentially produce better search results than big giants. Welcome back to our channel AI Finds. Today, we're diving into the future of artificial intelligence with OpenAI's groundbreaking initiative ChatGPT search engine. What is ChatGPT Search and when it is going to launch? Will SearchGPT compete other search engines? Google dominates the search engine market, accounting for 90% of all searches. Bing follows with 10%, while Yahoo captures 3%. Yandex and Baidu hold smaller shares, with 2.5% and 0.5% of searches, respectively. In the future, ChatGPT-based search could compete with traditional search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, and Baidu by offering more personalized, conversational, and context-aware search experiences. Unlike traditional search engines that rely on keyword matching, ChatGPT could understand user intent more deeply, providing more accurate and tailored results. It could also integrate seamlessly with various applications, making it easier to retrieve information without needing to switch between platforms. Additionally, as AI models improve, ChatGPT could handle complex queries and offer insights based on a broader understanding of topics, making it a more dynamic and interactive tool for users. The emphasis on real-time natural language processing could give ChatGPT a competitive edge in specific user scenarios. How will ChatGPT Search protect users' privacy? In the future, a ChatGPT-based search engine could prioritize user privacy more effectively than traditional search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, and Baidu. Unlike these platforms, which often rely on extensive data collection for targeted advertising, a ChatGPT search engine could adopt a privacy-first approach. This could involve minimal data retention, encryption of user queries, and an option to search anonymously without tracking. By processing data locally or using advanced differential privacy techniques, ChatGPT could provide relevant results without needing to store or analyze personal information in a centralized manner. Moreover, the ChatGPT search engine could be transparent about data usage, offering users control over what data, if any, is shared. This contrasts with many existing search engines that have been criticized for opaque data practices and for sharing user information with third parties. By focusing on privacy as a core principle, the ChatGPT search engine could appeal to users who are increasingly concerned about data security and surveillance. Let's explore it further and compare its users' sophisticated tracking measures, how it will generate money, and how it will make the difference in searches other than keywords. Will ChatGPT search block all trackers on website the user visits? One of the most significant privacy concerns for internet users today is the presence of trackers on websites. These trackers collect data on browsing habits, often without the user's explicit consent, and are used for targeted advertising or other purposes. The ChatGPT search engine could take a strong stance against these practices by blocking all trackers on the website's users visit through its platform. This would involve integrating sophisticated tracking protection measures that prevent third-party scripts from collecting data, thereby ensuring that users can browse the web without being constantly monitored. How will ChatGPT Search make money? On other search engines, ads are based on profiles compiled from our personal information, such as search, browsing, and purchase history. ChatGPT's search functionality is designed to prioritize user experience and privacy, and it's currently offered as part of broader subscription services like ChatGPT Plus, rather than through direct monetization of the search itself. This approach allows OpenAI to generate revenue without relying on advertising, data tracking, or selling user information. By integrating the search tool into a premium subscription model, OpenAI can maintain a sustainable business while ensuring that user privacy is respected and that the search experience remains ad-free. Additionally, revenue may be generated through enterprise solutions or partnerships where businesses pay for enhanced features, customization, or integration into their own platforms. This model aligns with ethical standards and prioritizes user trust over traditional ad-based revenue methods. How do ChatGPT search results compare to Google? ChatGPT search results could differ from Google's by offering more context-aware and conversational responses. While Google excels at providing a vast array of links based on keyword matching, ChatGPT could focus on understanding the intent behind queries, delivering more precise and nuanced answers. Instead of simply listing websites, ChatGPT might summarize information, answer follow-up questions, and engage in a dialogue to refine results. This personalized approach could be more efficient for complex queries or when users seek direct answers rather than extensive browsing. However, Google's extensive indexing and real-time data might still offer broader coverage for general searches, making ChatGPT a complementary tool for more specific or in-depth information needs. Why should ChatGPT Search be used instead of Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, and Baidu? Using ChatGPT's search tool offers distinct advantages over traditional search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, and Baidu. Firstly, ChatGPT integrates search results with AI-generated responses, providing a more personalized and contextualized answer to queries. This means you get not just links, but a synthesized, relevant summary tailored to your needs. Secondly, ChatGPT emphasizes user privacy, avoiding tracking and personalized ads, which are common on traditional search engines. You won't encounter targeted advertising or have your search history stored or sold. Finally, ChatGPT's search tool is embedded within a conversational interface, allowing for interactive, follow-up questions and more nuanced responses. This makes it ideal for in-depth research or when clarity and detail are essential. As the ChatGPT search engine continues to develop, it has the potential to redefine the search landscape by prioritizing user privacy, blocking intrusive trackers, and delivering context-aware, conversational search results. While it may initially complement rather than compete directly with traditional search engines like Google, its unique features could attract users looking for a more secure and personalized search experience. By focusing on quality over quantity and putting user privacy at the forefront, the ChatGPT search engine could carve out a significant niche in the ever-evolving world of search technology. That's it for today's showdown. Would you prefer ChatGPT Search instead of other big giants? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting AI finds. Thanks for watching.